In this video, Bitcoin broke the support of this ascending channel on the 1 hour chart after getting rejected by the 30k level. And guys, if you watched my previous videos, you know that I told you several times that 30k was a nice spot where to enter a short position. And guys, if you did that, then you already made 40% profit with 10x leverage. And of course, if you placed this trade based on my instructions, then write it down in the comments. And guys, the price will most likely continue to fall, and so if you want to know where I believe the price is going to go in the next few hours and days, and if you want to know what's the next trade that we would place, then stay tuned. Welcome back to Bitcoin Trading Pro. I'm Federico, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and share with your friends, and let's dive in. So guys, if you remember, we got rejected some days ago by the 30k level, and after that we lost approximately 8%, and then we finally got supported by the $27,600 level on the 1st of May, and since then we started trading within this ascending channel, and today we broke this support line and we are going down. And guys, if you are in this short position, because if you remember, I warned you multiple times that the 30k level is a hard level for Bitcoin, and that if we touch this level, then you should place a short position. And guys, in fact, that's what happened. We touched almost the 30k level and we went down. So it's gonna be very hard for Bitcoin to pass the 30k US dollars level. And so guys, the probability is telling us that every time we touch 30k, we should short. And of course, it will come the time that Bitcoin will break this resistance, and then we'll see a huge pump. But for now, we're seeing signs of weaknesses and so much strength by the bears at the 30k level. And guys, if you are in this short position, you should not take profit yet, because you could actually potentially trade this move till $27,600 US dollars, which is where we got the bounce, as I showed you earlier here. And this level here has good amount of significance, and this is because, as you can see here, we had some consolidation some time ago around this level, and as you can see here, the $27,600 US dollars level was acting as resistance here multiple times, and when we touched it, we went down. When we broke it, we saw a pump. So guys, you can see that this level is pretty significant, and that's why I believe this is the next support level where Bitcoin will get another bounce. So if you are in this trade, again, you are already 40% in profit with 10x leverage, and you should keep this position till we touch 27,600 US dollars. And of course, this would give you a fantastic $80 profit almost, guys, with 10x leverage, and that's fantastic. If you took this trade, then write it down in the comments again. And now guys, let me show you something on the daily chart, because you should be aware of what's going on a higher time frame. And as you can see here, we've been forming this uptrend on the daily chart since November 2022, and we formed this lower high, a higher high, another lower high, and a higher high here again. And right now it seemed like we already formed this other lower high. And guys, I know we are going down right now, But if we keep above $27,130 and we can manage to go higher than 31K and form another higher high here, then this would be very bullish for Bitcoin, because it would mean that the uptrend is continuing, guys. And if instead we go lower than $27,200, or even worse, lower than $20,300, then I must tell you that the uptrend will stop, and for some time we could actually trade sideways or even see some short-term downtrend on the daily. And so, guys, pay attention to what's going on the daily chart. And guys, I think for today I showed you everything. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like this video. And if you didn't watch my new video where I show you how to make money with crypto in 2023, then you can watch it right there. And guys, see you in the next episode.